Hello everyone, myself Pompey Paul, founder of iTeach. Today I want to talk about something many schools and teachers are thinking about right now. How do you actually implement NEP in classroom in a meaningful way? Because the policy talks about experiential learning, competency-based education and deeper understanding. But the big question is, how do schools make that happen within their existing curriculum and workloads? That's exactly the problem we started iTeach to solve. Let us understand first what is iTeach. iTeach is an experiential learning platform that works directly with schools to improve student learning outcomes through NEP-aligned experiential education. We focus on core subjects like mathematics, science, and the arts. Our goal is very simple: help students understand deeply, not just memorize them for exams. Our model integrates hands-on learning, real-world application, and competency-based assessment while staying fully aligned with the school existing curriculum. So schools don't need to change their syllabus or teaching structure. The second question comes, what problem are schools facing today? Most schools are facing their major challenges. First, concept clarity. Many students can solve questions but don't truly understand the underlying concept. Second, engagement. Traditional lecture-based teaching often struggle to keep students actively involved. And third, NEP implementation. Schools want to adopt experiential learning but don't always have the time, resource, or structured framework. iTeach bridges that gap. And the important question is, how does iTeach actually works? We partnered with schools and integrated structured learning modules within their existing academic system. Step 1. Concept learning. Teacher explain topics through interactive simulation and visual modules. Step 2. Experiential activity. Hands-on digital and classroom-based engagement. Step 3. Assessment and analytics. Performance tracking with insights for teachers within integrated HPC module. Step 4. Intervention. Identify weak areas and provide targeted improvement plans. The next question is, how do schools use iTeach? School can use iTeach in 3 ways. First is remedial learning, where students who struggle with foundational concept receive structured support. Second is exam readiness, where concepts are braced up before major assessment. Moreover, third is skill-based education, where focus on critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills. The goal is not just better marks, but confident learners who understand what they are studying. Now, what impact iTeach aim to create? Our mission is obvious. We want to help schools create classroom where students ask questions, students explore ideas, students build confidence in their understanding, and where school can say they are truly implementing NEP not just in theory but in daily classroom practice. As a matter of fact, education should create curious thinkers and capable problem solvers, not just exam performers. That's the vision behind iTeach. If you are a school principal, academic head, teacher, or educator, or someone interested in improving learning outcomes, we would love to connect and share more about how iTeach works for your institution. Get the detailed product information in the link given below. Thank you for listening.